stuff. And your name is?
Christina.
Christina. Look at your hand.
Some people go into hypnosis a lot quicker than others. This week's video is just a nice breakdown of a very fast induction, so keep watching and find out. Hi there, it's Turan here from Feel Good Hypnosis, and I hope you had a nice Christmas. I hope Santa got you everything you wanted. If you're watching live in 2020, that's why the Christmas tree's here. Anyway, let's watch the video and then I'm going to do a breakdown tutorial afterwards.
Set your gubbins down. Set your gubbins down and be relaxed about it.
Sure.
Okay, so you'd like to be hypnotised?
Yes.
And you'd like to be hypnotised by me?
Yes.
Good stuff. And your name is?
Christina.
Christina. Look at your hand. Look at the lines in your hand. Look at one spot and one line. Just keep staring at that spot and just focus all your attention on that spot. And notice how as I move that hand, just allow that hand. There you go. Put attention on that hand. Just allow that hand to move towards your forehead. There you go. That's right. As I move that hand towards your forehead now, notice how when I let go, that's right. Just allow that hand to continue to move all by itself without any conscious thought on your part. That's right. All by yourself. Close your eyes down. Sleep down. Way down. Deeper, deeper, deeper relaxed. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel. The more relaxed you feel, the deeper you go.
So I hope you enjoyed that video. It was a very quick one because, well, it's described in the title. It's a quick induction. And this is a beautiful induction. You've seen this lady a few times, and I'll put a few of the links to the skits I've been doing with this lady following this induction. So I'm only getting around to talking about the induction now, but it's a beautiful induction. The bottom line is, you know, people ask me all the time, you know, is there a lot of off-work camera? Have you hypnotized this person before the camera starts rolling? And there's never anything like that there. I pride myself on doing all this street hypnosis live. Like I say, sometimes I'll play them in the wrong order, so I'm only playing this induction now. But this is the first time I've actually met this lady, and she's probably seen me hypnotizing other people and asked me, oh, will you hypnotize me? So the camera starts to roll, and right away you see me. She's got you know, a handbag or whatever over her shoulder, and I'm just saying, put your stuff down over there. So this really is, there's no pre-talk, there's no discussion other than, yes, I'll hypnotize you. Are you happy enough to be recorded? Once that happens, we're straight into the routine. So anyway, this is, as you know, I'm calibrating this lady from every second that she says, I'd like to be hypnotized. So when I say things like, well, put your bags down, I'm looking to see if she's nervously putting them down or if she's just throwing them down quickly to get back up ready for the hypnosis. And in this case, hopefully you saw that she was very fast, very responsive. She wanted to get on with it. She wanted to get hypnotized. So she's smiling, she's you know, energetic, she's looking at me. All the signals are there that she's going to be a great subject. So I move swiftly on to what's called the hypnotic contract. I want to check that she does want to be hypnotized. As much as I'm reading all these positive signals, I do that verbal contract of, would you like to be hypnotized? And listen for her response. She goes, yeah. Again, the speed of her response to that question is important. So do we need to ask that specific question? No, but I'm looking for the responses, and her response, her speed of response, yeah. And do you want to be hypnotized by me? Again, it's practically the same question, practically doesn't need to be asked, but it's an opportunity for me to ask a second question just to reaffirm yes, and to get that perfect yes. So again, the title of this video is a fast induction, so I put my hand out to do a quick pattern interrupt. Again, I'll point out we're in the season of a pandemic this year, so this video was shot before the pandemic started, when it was more easily to do handshakes with people. So I reached my hand out to do a handshake. Before she could complete the handshake, before she could complete the pattern of shaking hands, I interrupted that pattern and moved her hand up towards her face. Right away, once again, I'm constantly reading this body language in this lady, and I can feel the clear catalepsy, her arms stiff and rigid in that position. So I just, you know, right away just move to just a finger hold. I'm just holding it in that position. That's all I need to do. Her elbow, her arms not dropping down or anything. So it's a beautiful induction here. So I start to tell her that her hand's moving towards her face, but I can feel the tension, the catalepsy in her arm is so great that I actually need to give it a little push. And I again verbally tell her that your hand, you'll feel your hand starting to move towards your face. Now she's going to feel that because I'm pushing it towards it. But within seconds you'll see her hand quickly accepts that suggestion within the unconscious mind. Her hand touches her face and she, out like a light, her head drops down onto her shoulders and she goes into a beautiful trance. So it's very fast at the end, as you saw there, but I hope those various pieces of calibration you see me doing throughout the seconds that we're going through this induction helps you understand exactly how this induction is breaking down. If you have any questions about what I've said in the tutorial or about things you saw that maybe I've missed talking about, put them in the comment section below. I really want to hear about your thoughts on this video. Tell me what you really liked about the video. I want to hear your comments. Don't forget, give me a thumbs up. Do give me a like. And don't forget, click the big red subscribe button so you get notified of videos coming out. The grey bell notification next to that will ensure you get notification right away as soon as something new comes from Feel Good Hypnosis. In the meantime, like I say, I hope you had a lovely Christmas. It's the last video of the year, so please do give it an extra cheer, give it an extra thumbs up, give it an extra comment in the comment section below. Tell me what you got for Christmas if you want to. Just add that comment in there. I really want to hear from you guys and know that I'm talking to people and they like the video. In the meantime, Happy New Year, because I won't go see you before then, and thanks very much for watching.